What does it really take to be a successful trader? What kind of work do you need to put in to make that happen for yourself? Our guest today is Don Miller. He's going to talk to us about that and what it took maybe for him to become a success and the work he went through. Don, thanks for being here.
You're very welcome.
Well, a lot of traders are looking for the ultimate setup or the one black box system they can buy and then be on the road to success. But what does it really take to be a successful trader in terms of the work to put in?
Well, when you think about the fact that especially in the futures industry, that trading is all about a vast transfer of wealth between the vast majority of traders who come and go and lose and the small minority of traders that consistently figure this out and win. It's very much like poker, where you see the same people at the final table, despite the fact that everybody knows that a full house beats a straight and et cetera. And so that really leaves all these intangibles in terms of really what it takes. And it's so much beyond patterns. I think people can learn patterns and learn technical analysis in a very short period of time. And that leaves all of these other intangibles, such as focus, such as discipline, such as sticking to your plan. Those are the aspects where the truly successful traders excel in.
And how long did it take you to really reach that point where you felt like on a consistent basis I can make a living in the markets?
I'm still on that road, frankly, and I think the minute that any successful trader tells you that they have figured it out and they have conquered that aspect of this business is the minute that they will start to fail. I've been very blessed and have done very well in recent times, but I don't consider myself to have been there. In terms of how long it took me to get to where I think I pretty much figured out this and have joined the small minority who are consistently profitable, it took me close to a decade to reach where I've reached now.
Now in 2008 you had a tremendous year. You made $1.6 million in profits just from trading.
Yes.
How do you beat that? How do you duplicate that? Have you figured out if that was an aberration or if there's something you can continually do on a year-over-year basis to make that happen?
Well, I think in terms of an aberration, every trader is going to experience the highs and lows, as in the course of a day, a week, a year, or a month, or a career. So that undoubtedly that was a very strong year for me, and it may be what I call an outlier. But that doesn't say that I'm not trying to continue to push myself. It has allowed me the freedom to do a few things. One is to work on increasing my size. It's a challenge that I haven't yet overcome in terms of becoming a true block volume trader, and that's what I'm working on now. And it's also frankly allowed me some time to go back into the educational world and spend some time trying to provide support for other traders in the process.
Do you think it's duplicatable, if that's a word? Can you teach somebody to do the same thing? Can I take a guy off the street and show them to do what you do?
Well, with any type of education, I believe, first of all, it's important, and you have to have that foundation. I don't think that anybody can succeed without it. So having said that, it's a necessity. At the same time, coming from a family of educators, I also realize that you can provide somebody with the best educational possible, and ultimately it's up to them to perform. And again, it gets back to the intangibles in terms of, are they willing to do things that other people won't do? An example today is today's President's Day when we're taping this. And I had a couple of choices. I could have slept in. I could have said the U.S. market, equity market's on vacation today. I could have prepared for my presentation, rehearsed it. I said, no, I'm a trader. So I get up at 5 a.m. With a flashlight so I didn't bother my wife and daughter in the hotel room, and I traded the Europe market. And it's those sorts of things. Al Pacino in Any Given Sunday said that this is a game of inches. And it's the traders that are willing to fight for those inches day by day, hour by hour. Those are the traders that are really going to make it in this business over the long run.
Don, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome.
You're watching the MONEYSHOW.com video network.